it is time. We are making a video on the old 4x4 control solenoid. Should be a pretty short video because it's pretty damn easy to change. As you're looking for this little white box, it is in the front right corner of the engine compartment on the fan shroud. If you're sitting in the, like you're driving. So it'll just look on your fan shroud, you'll see that little white box. What I'm doing right now is we're going to verify that the code's still there. I don't see any reason for it not to be. 4x4 module 1876. So P, hopefully y'all can see this. P1876, transfer case 2-wheel drive solenoid circuit open or short to ground. And then the other one, transmission, the solenoid circuit failure. Those two are tied together. 4x4 control module, that's a little hoopty we got down there. We are going to, now that we've verified the code's still there, we will erase the DTCs, reset DTCs. I wasn't kidding. We'll reset them, make sure that it comes back as a hard fault. Please cycle the ignition off, then back on. Back on. Okay. That should read them again. And those two codes are hard set in there still. So we will disconnect. What did I do? Oh, damn touch screens. We will disconnect and go up front, swap this thing out. Turn the truck off, take the keys out because I don't want to hear it going dong dong. So I'll leave that open, I'll leave the computer going, and we'll go up front. Alright, hopefully, I'm going to point this down a little bit. You're looking for this bad boy right here. One bolt, one connector, two vacuum lines. So we're going to pop these vacuum lines off, and we hear it hissing. So the vacuum pump was working. We know the vacuum pump was working, the controller just wasn't. So press down on the little tab, and I brought me a screwdriver out here to kind of ease it off. And when we take these things off, I want to be real careful. So now that I got it off, I'm going to dodge a B, and I'm just going to look at the wires, because it's very easy with it being right up top here. It's very easy for these to get messed up. I don't see any damage without taking the sheathing off and looking, but maybe, you know, the way it's sitting like that, maybe it rubs between these two and they're shorting out. You just kind of want to check and make sure that you're not replacing a part for recreational maintenance. So this is the number 10 bolt underneath here. Just get her out of there. Super easy. 10 minutes to do. If the video is more than 10 minutes, then I've been doing too much talking. And of course the other side just slides out. So there's little holes right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So out with the old. In with the new. Okay, plug up your vacuum lines here. Plug in your connector until it clicks, and you're done. So now that we got that done, all done, we'll clean our stuff up and go see if we got rid of the code. Let's get logged back in here. Reconnect. There she goes. Yes, I'd like to load the selected profile. Alright, go through there. Oh, I was mad for a second. Still shows those codes, but I didn't erase them. Reset. Cycle the ignition off. Back on. Hit OK. Alright. Now we have none. We got rid of our code. So, just that easy. Like I said in the previous video, the P1000FF, that's basically the OBD saying that, hey, I haven't been able to complete my tests because I'm missing sensors. This is pretty damn nice, this FORScan. I really like it. If you haven't seen my video on FORScan, I will post a link in the description so that you guys can see it. Let me get you set back up here so you're not staring at the screen. Alright, now that everybody's sick for me shaking the camera around. Yeah, if you don't know about FORScan, I'll post a video below. I just made it yesterday. Yeah, that's how you get rid of the 4x4 control solenoid DTCs. So, if you enjoyed the video, if this helped you, toss a like, share it with your friends. I'm trying to grow this YouTube channel. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and click the bell if you want to be notified whenever I add new videos. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.